If you're looking to manage your notifications on Phemex, this guide will walk you through the steps to turn them off effectively. Follow these simple steps to customize your notification settings. Step 1. Log into your account. Begin by opening the Phemex app or website and logging into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile or menu section, often represented by an icon or your profile picture. Step 3. Find notification settings. Within the account settings, look for a section labeled Notifications or Notification Settings. Click on this option to view your current notification preferences. Step 4. Disable notifications. In the notification settings, you will see various types of notifications you can receive. Toggle off the notifications you wish to disable, ensuring that you save any changes made. Step 5. Confirm changes. After adjusting your notification preferences, confirm that the changes have been saved. You may want to log out and log back in to ensure that the notifications are indeed turned off. By following these steps, you can easily manage and turn off notifications on Phemex. Enjoy a more focused trading experience without distractions.